Do you want to add link in Facebook Reels? You can put a clickable link in Facebook Reels with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a link in Facebook Reels. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on the Create Plus icon at the top of the screen and select Reel from the pop-up menu. Now, record a new video or upload one from your device gallery. After the video is ready, you can add text, stickers, music, or filters to your video. Once ready, tap on the Next button. Now, add a title for stickers and descriptions. Along with the description, you can add a list of your websites. Just paste or type the link URL you want to share. Once you have added the website link, tap on the Share Now button. Your Facebook Reel will now include a clickable link through the sticker, and viewers can tap it to open the web page.